Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're in GTA Online with your main character and a steady connection. Once done, move forward by progressing through early ranks and finishing the base tutorial jobs that unlock property purchases. This is necessary so menus and contacts appear. Then go to the LS car meet in-game to trigger tuners progression and invitations. Doing that prompts the auto shop path to become available and connects you to the right NPCs who offer the opportunity. Once the tuner's path is active, open the property purchase site and locate auto shop listings. You must buy a shop to unlock full functionality. After purchase, accept the shop's introductory setup missions that appear. These are how the game registers your business. During those tasks, you'll deliver vehicles, meet mechanics and clients, and install shop equipment. These steps initialize your shop's operations. Make sure to follow mission objectives exactly, because the shop's features only activate once setup missions finish. Finish the last tutorial and delivery jobs tied to the auto shop. This unlocks sales, contracts, and upgrade options in the workshop. Once done, run a single quick contract or sell a modded vehicle to verify income flow and that all shop features are live. If the shop doesn't activate, relog into GTA Online, switch session types, public, invite only, or replay the setup mission chain from the contact menu. This refreshes progression flags and usually resolves the lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.